Okay, other time you will be on mute all the time. Okay, you have your space bar. Yeah, hope you know you can use your space bar. Space bar to unmute, speak, go back to mute. Okay, space bar is used to mute and unmute both. Space bar. Good. So, right. So before we start, let me introduce myself. This is Sai Kiran here. I am academic wise, I am MBA Finance, I am CA qualified. I am a CIMA member, Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, Global Certified Management Accountant I am. And SAP wise, I am a certified SAP consultant. And work-wise, please be on mute. Yeah. Okay. Work-wise, I have about 19 years experience. And in that, I have worked for 7 years in UK. And most of the Europe I have traveled. So I have a lot of international European experience I have. I have worked in UK, France, Italy, Switzerland, yeah, many countries like that. Apart from that, into teaching, I have about 10 years experience. I have completed many batches. Many of my students are already working. Some of them have become team leads already. So most of my classes are through references only. Yeah? So I don't do demos, correct? So it is, if you trust me, you are here, correct? Yeah, I think you have trusted me. So I will keep that promise. Yeah. I'll keep the trust in you, right? So coming to the today's session, today's session will be more about ecosystem of the FICO, right? So we will learn FICO, we will get into FICO, but before we get into FICO, we should have an outlook of who are the people around us, correct? What is our work environment? Who are the people we talk to? Correct. That is very important. So I'll give you this base, right? So any topic, I will start with the ground level, ground zero. I assume that you don't know anything, then I start there. Okay, guys. So some of you might be already aware of some SAP. You may have some knowledge of SAP. But this is for those guys. Please be on mute. So this is for those guys who are new to SAP. Some of our students are freshers here. So please be patient, 1 or 2 days, then you will be up to the mark. Okay. So today I'm going to start with the ecosystem. Yeah, Sangeeta, you have to be on mute all the time. Okay. Yeah, please. Right. So now, so others also join. Let me unmute them. Okay. Now. So, before we start, any of you are non-commerce background here? Anybody from BSc, BTech? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
You are from? Yes, tell me.
Yeah, so I'm Rahul and my background is BTech, and post that I have started working with ICICI Bank into operations. And currently I'm also working in getting tech in mutual fund operations.
Okay, mutual funds.
Yeah.
Fine, no problem. So I will generally, what I do is for every topic in finance, I will give the backup. I give the general discussion, what it is, what is the purpose of it. Then I will get into SAP, okay? So at that time, if you feel that you did not understand anything or entries wise you have some problem, just let me know, no? Flag up, I will guide you, okay? Yeah, just in case you feel that you are not able to understand anything, just let me know, okay? Good.
Sure, sir.
Good. Anybody else from non-commerce? Yeah, so others are all, everybody BCom, MBA, finance, right? And CA, CMA.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
I'm not getting the videos.
You are not able to see my screen?
This notepad.
Yeah, notepad. I am about to share. Notepad, I mean notepad only. Yeah, right now.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. So today's session, it will be background noise, please. Go back to mute. Right. So now, so today's session will be about the SAP FI ecosystem environment, right? So SAP FI is the course. So even though we call it as FI there are actually two parts to it. One is FI. FI means what? Finance. Okay. CO means what? CO means controlling. Okay, what are these? These are the two modules. These are the two modules in SAP ERP software. Okay, which software are we talking about? ERP software. In that, many modules are there. We are learning two modules. Okay, so basically, FI CO is FI is finance, CO is controlling. These are the two modules of SAP ERP software. Okay. Now, if I ask you, what are the other modules of SAP ERP software? What are the other modules? Can you tell me? Yeah. What are the other modules we have? Yeah.
SD,
SD. Okay. What is the full form of SD?
sales and distribution.
Sales and distribution. Okay. What are the other modules?
QM,
QM. What is QM?
quality management.
Quality management. Okay. What else?
PP,
PP is
production plan.
production planning. Okay. Production planning. Correct. What is MM?
Material management.
MM is materials management. Correct. What else? What else?
HR,
Huh?
HR,
Cost management.
HR na? HR. Correct. HRM na? Yeah. Human resource management. Yeah. HCM you can call whatever. Human resource management. What else? That's it over. Huh?
I'm not sure about CRM,
CRM. Okay. What is CRM?
customer relationship management.
Customer relationship management. Okay, good. What else? No problem. You can be wrong also. It's fine here. Yeah.
SCM, sir.
SCM is what? What is the full form
Supply
of
chain management.
supply chain management? Correct. Good. What else?
PM, plant maintenance.
PM means
Plant maintenance.
correct. Plant maintenance. Yes, good. What else?
ABAP,
Plant
CM,
maintenance.
sir.
ABAP. Somebody says ABAP.
ABAP,
Oh, ABAP.
Advanced Business Application Program.
Okay, good. Advanced business. Okay, you know the full form also. Very good. Advanced business
technical.
application programming. Okay.
HANA, sir.
HANA. Okay, HANA. Okay, what else? Any more answers, guys?
Basis, sir.
Basis. Okay, basis. Let me put basis also here. Basis. Okay, basis also is there. Then
PS,
PS, project systems. PS is project systems. Correct. Good. Yes, what else? Any more answers, guys? So I want my classes to be interactive, yeah? They are not like one-sided. I always speak, you listen, not like that. Correct? So I will prepare you for a future consultant, right? So a consultant should be able to communicate, right? So slowly we will pick up the pace. You should participate in the class. Okay, don't let others speak, na? You should participate. Okay, any other answers? Any other answers we have? That's it, over? Good. Yes, ma?
EC,
What is it? PC.
EC,
Okay, full form?
Enterprise Control.
EC, enterprise control. Okay, no, fine, no problem. Small. Okay. What else?
BI, business intelligence.
Business intelligence. BI, business intelligence. BW. Okay, correct. BI is business intelligence. BI, BW also we call it. BI is business intelligence, and bar business warehouse it is. Correct na? Yeah. Good. Yes, what else? Okay, fine. So here my question was, we are talking about which software? We are talking about SAP ERP software. Correct. So this FI and CO are modules of which software?
Yes.
SAP ERP. And my question was, what are the other modules of SAP ERP? Correct. And some of you have given correct answers. Some of you have given wrong answers. It's fine. At this stage, it's fine. Yeah. So now there are some wrong answers also. So we need to correct ourselves, right? See, I asked about modules. You are talking about some of them are softwares here. Okay. So these are other softwares. Okay. This is one technical language. Okay. Program. This is a system admin. This is a database. So my question was about modules, and generally people whatever they know about SAP, they think that all of them are modules, but it is not correct. Okay. See, as a starting point, what we do first, we will correct all the misunderstandings. First we will correct. If we are thinking something wrong, now first we need to correct ourselves, then we will start fresh. So here my question was, what are the other modules of SAP ERP? Okay. Okay. So the answer some of you have given is there are other softwares. You see, this is the wrong answer. Okay. So from here, this is not a module. Okay. I will tell you why it is not a module. This is also not a module. And this is also, it's not a module. You cannot put along with these modules. Okay. Sorry, base is also not a module. HANA is also not a module. It's a database. I'll explain in detail. So we need to have this clarity. Na? See, after 4 or 5 months, you will be working as a consultant. Correct? And you will be attending many meetings. So in the meetings, if you use a software for a module for a database for a language, the other people in the meeting, they know you don't have the basics. Correct or not? So I don't want my students to do that. So whenever you are talking, you should have full clarity what you are talking. Okay. So I'll start from that. So first I'll start with, so see, after about half an hour, you will get full clarity. Okay, guys? Yeah. So all your doubts will be cleared. So here, this is the SAP. Okay, write down like this. Write down like this. Software products of SAP. See, SAP is selling many softwares. Okay. So SAP is not selling only SAP ERP. SAP is selling many softwares. So out of them, which one we know is SAP ERP software. Correct? What are the other softwares? SAP CRM software. Correct or not? Then SAP, what is it? SRM. See, ERP is what you know, na? ERP full form is Enterprise Resource Planning Software. Correct na? This is the full form of SAP. Then what about the ERP, the CRM?
Customer relationship management.
Customer relationship management. Correct. Then what else? SRM. Supplier relationship management. Correct now? Yeah. Supplier relationship management. Background noise, please. Yeah. So then SAP SCM. What is SCM?
Supply chain management.
Supply chain. Correct. Yeah. See, some noise is there. Somebody's mic is bad. Okay, see, don't be on mute all the time, guys. Only when you are answering, just unmute and speak and go back to mute. Okay. Yeah. So as a rule, we should see our classes. We want it to be good enough for the next 4 or 5 months. So we have to follow some rules. Okay. So if everybody is unmuting, everybody is disturbing the class, we cannot continue the class. Correct. Yeah. Okay, so SAP SRM, supply chain management. What else we have? SAP PLM. Can you guess this? What is this? Product life cycle management. Correct. Next. Then we have SAP Ariba is there. SAP Concur is there. Like that, there are many softwares that SAP is selling. Correct. So in all the softwares, which software we are learning, guys? Which software we are learning? Which software we are learning out of all the software?
ERP.
SAP ERP.
We are learning this software. Correct. You should have this clarity. In this software, there are modules. In this software, there are modules. What modules we have? FI, comma, CO, comma, MM, comma, PP, kada, SD. Then we have QM, kada, HRM. This is the track, na? So all these are the modules of which software?
ERP software.
ERP software.
ERP software. Correct. See, every software, they have their own set of modules, guys. See, in CRM also I have modules. In CRM also we have advertising module, we have business analytics module. Like that, there are modules in CRM also. Kada? So we are not learning other softwares. Now we are learning ERP software. In that we are learning FI and CO module. Two modules we are learning. Is it clear, everybody? Correct. So if someone is talking about SCM, you should understand he's not talking about your software. He's talking about some other software. Is it clear? Yeah. So what is the difference between a software and a module? We need to know, na? See, what is the difference? Modules are a part of a software. Part of a software. So every software, see, I want you to write down, guys. See, there are three keys for success. Yeah, three keys, three fundamental things that you need to do to be successful here. To become a FICO consultant. What are the things? One, you need to attend the classes regularly, daily, compulsory, regularly you need to attend. Second, you need to do the practice daily. See, practice is also very, very important here. Okay. And third one, you should have a proper notes. So the notes written in your own handwriting, with all the important points that you feel like at the time of classes will help you a lot. See, after 4-5 months when you are attending interview, you need a ready reckoner. Half an hour, 1 hour time you have, you want to quickly go through it. Then your own notes is the best thing. Don't rely on technology, guys. Snapshot here, one snapshot there, one, I know you have everybody has got mobile phone these days. You can take a snapshot, but notes is always notes. Yeah. So put some effort now, have a proper notes. Okay. So I want everybody to maintain a proper book, proper notes. And every time I say something, you have to note it down. Okay. Yeah. You can write in your own handwriting also, own mother tongue. Yeah. If that helps you. Good. So modules are a part of a software. Yeah. When a company, modules are a part of software. Every software has its own set of modules. Okay. So when a company purchases a software, it will get all the modules of that software automatically. Understand? It is a full set they will get. So the company will use the modules as per their requirement. Got it? Right. I will explain this. No need to worry. These 2 sentences I will explain. Please write down. Okay? Please write down. Okay, let me know now once you have done. Once you are done.
Done.
Good. So see, understand. Suppose there is a company. Okay, say somebody like Bajaj companies. You know Bajaj, no? Bajaj Group is there. Bajaj Electronics is there. Bajaj Automotives Motors is there. Bajaj FinServ is there. Financial services. Like that, there is a Bajaj Group is there. Imagine Bajaj Group purchased the software, SAP ERP software they purchased. So they will get the full set. Now all the modules of that software they will get. It's a full package. Correct. So from that, what they want to use? They want to use FI, CO, MM, PP, SD, whatever they want to use the modules they will use. Other modules they are there, but they don't use it. You got it? Yeah. Now, correct. Now there is some other company. Now Bajaj is using, because they have manufacturing, they are using production. And because manufacturing is there, raw material is there. So raw material is there, so they are using MM module. And because they have sales, SD module. And because they have employees, HR module. So all the modules they are using, the Bajaj company is using all of them. So they are using MM, PP, SD, everything. Now if you talk some other company, say if you talk about a bank like ICICI Bank. Imagine ICICI Bank is buying the SAP software. They have purchased the SAP software. Correct. So now they will also get the full set. No? The complete ERP package they will get, ERP software with all the modules. Now it's a bank. Na? ICICI is a bank. Na? In the bank, do you have production? See, when you, correct? Do you have production? When you go to the bank, do you see any production going on there? Huh?
No.
So production is not there. So do they need PP module?
No.
Production planning, do they need?
No.
No, sir.
So when production is not there, material is not there. So when material is not there, do they need MM module?
No, sir.
Now, do they need SD sales? Sales they need?
No, sir.
Probably
Yes.
they need to do the credit card sales.
Yes, sir. Credit cards.
Loan sales. Na? Yes, SD may be required. So you understand? So they will use the modules as per their requirement. So ICICI Bank purchased the ERP software, but they will not be using MM and PP. You understood the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So when a company purchases the software, they will get full set, complete ERP package they will get. In that, whatever modules are required now, they will use it. Okay, see, you guys, when you get access tomorrow, na, server access, SAP system access, na, you will get access to the system. You understand? You will get access to the system. In that, you will see all the modules. You cannot separate FICO from ERP, not possible. Now, a company cannot come and ask SAP, see, I want to only FICO, please give me. Sorry, not possible. Full ERP they have to buy. And in that, they will use FICO. That is their problem. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes.
Good. So if a company, I'm continuing now, guys, I'm continuing now. Right. So if a company wants another software of SAP, then they have to pay for it separately. They have to buy it separately. You understand? Right. So suppose my client, where I have my client, they have 3 softwares of SAP. Yeah, they are using SAP ERP, they are using SAP SRM, and they are using SAP Ariba also. You understand? So like that, they have 3 softwares of SAP. Correct. So they have to pay for it. Now ERP they have, then SRM they have to pay separately. Na? Yes. Ariba also pay separately. You understand the point?
Yes, sir.
But modules they will get all of them full set.
Yes.
Is it clear? So that is the fundamental difference. See, if one company is there, suppose it is using FI and CO and it is not using MM. Now tomorrow they want to use MM, they can comfortably use, just extend to MM. Because MM is already there, just extend. Kada? But they want to use SCM. No, they cannot do that. They have to again buy, again pay. You got the point? That is the difference between a module and a software. Is it clear? Yeah. See, modules you can just extend. They are already there. You can just extend to use them. All the modules you can use. But if you want another software, you have to pay for it. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubts, right? So module and software, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if somebody is talking, somebody is saying, somebody is talking about SAP SCM. Oh, it should immediately strike to you that he is talking about some other software of SAP. Correct. If someone is talking about quality management, okay, you should know, okay, it is QM, quality management, which is a module of our own software. Is it clear? Yeah, good. Next. So the next one, so this is about modules and software. Next one is, we have to talk about here ABAP. Somebody said ABAP, na? I want to give you more clarity on that. So these two are the softwares, not modules. Okay. ABAP, I will take up this. Okay, what is the full form of ABAP? Advanced Business Application Programming. Now, what is this? This is a programming language. What is this? It is a programming language. Like, what programming languages we know, guys? We know, like C, C++, correct, Java. What else we know? Python, latest Python. Python. Yeah, so I can write ABAP here. Right, so ABAP is not a module. ABAP is not a module. ABAP is a, what is it, ABAP? ABAP is a programming language like C, C++, Java. Got the point? Yeah, it's a pros. So why we are talking about a programming language here is, see, if you know these programming languages, suppose you know C, C++, Java. Yeah, what is the use of it? What is the use of it? We use that programming language to write the code, to write the code, develop programs, and develop a software, right? Correct. That is the use of a language, Correct. See, can I develop a software without language? Can I develop a software without any programming language?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it possible? No. So every software is a set of programs, and those programs are written in some language, Agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So can I develop a software without language?
No.
No.
So now why we are talking about ABAP here is, now as what I said, our SAP ERP is also a software, Our SAP ERP is what? It is also a software, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is a software, it should be written in some language, It
Yes.
should be written in some language, some programming language, right?
Yes.
Now, which programming language can you guess? ABAP. Correct or not? That's why we are discussing about ABAP today. Is it clear? So, ABAP is the programming language used to develop SAP ERP software. Entire SAP ERP software, all the modules, they are written in which language? ABAP language. Got it clear? So ABAP is not a module. It doesn't have a front face. Like FICO front is there, MM is there, HR is there. You can see. But ABAP you cannot see in the front end. No, not possible. ABAP is a programming language at the back of, hiding at the back of all the modules. Is it clear? So front end it is FICO, accounts, debit, credit, reports, that is finance. Back end ABAP. Front end MM, material management, stock, inventory, go down. Back end ABAP. Front end production, back end ABAP. Front end HR, employees, salaries, pay sheets. Back end ABAP. Got it? So ABAP is not a module. ABAP is the programming language hiding at the back of all the modules. Entire ERP is written in ABAP language. Is that clear? Right. So can you see ABAP in the front end?
No, sir.
Is it a module? No.
No, sir.
It's a language. It's a programming language. Is that clear, guys? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So ABAP is the program. So when SAP was developing this SAP ERP, they said they will not use C, C++, Java. We will use ABAP programming. So entire ERP was developed in the ABAP program. Correct? Yeah. So why we as FICO guys, why we should know about ABAP? Why should we know? See, when we are working as FICO consultant, we will be in regular interaction with somebody called ABAPer. Who is it? ABAPer. Who is an ABAPer? ABAPer is somebody who knows ABAP programming. Understand? See, there will be one ABAP team in the company. There will be one ABAP team in the company. Correct? So in that ABAPers will be there. So ABAPer is somebody who knows ABAP programming. Correct. So who will generally learn ABAP? BTech guys, na? BTech computer science. They already know C, C++, Java coding. They go a step forward and learn ABAP coding. Is that clear? Yeah. So that is ABAP. Correct. So the person who knows ABAP, we call him as ABAPer. See, if I learn ABAP, I will also become ABAPer. Simple. Is that clear? So the guy who knows ABAP, we are calling him as ABAPer. Correct? Yeah. So is it clear, everybody? Yeah. So ABAPer is somebody who knows ABAP programming. Okay, so when you are working as FICO consultant, FICO, you will be talking to this ABAPer. On many occasions, you will talk to him, this technical programming guy. Why we talk to him? Two main reasons, okay? Two main reasons. One, when we are faced with a programming level error or an issue. The programming level error or an issue. See, you are an FICO guy. You are working in the finance screens. So normal issues you will resolve by yourself, na? You can resolve. But this time you are getting a runtime error. Program is getting stuck. Runtime error, program is getting stuck. Now you tried everything, na? System restart, replace, everything we have done. Yeah? Restarted the system, server restart you have done, program restart you have done, but still you are getting the same error. Now you don't know ABAP, na? You don't know programming, na? So who will help you? ABAPer will help. So here you will call ABAPer into picture. You will show him, see, look, this is the error I am getting in my finance screen. Please help me. Correct. So what this ABAPer will do immediately after looking at the error, he will go into backend programming will be there. Na? See, every front end screen, it has a program. Na? So he will go into that backend programming. In the programming, he will do debugging. What he will do? Debugging. Debugging means what? Bug is the problem. Debugging means identifying the bug and removing the bug. So when he does debugging, what will happen? The error will be resolved. Program will be restored. So next time when you come back to your finance screen, error will not be there. Got it? So that is how we will take the help of ABAPer to resolve the programming level issues or errors. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
So the good thing is we don't have to learn coding here. We don't have to learn coding. Who will do the coding? Who will do the work on the programming? ABAPer.
ABAPer.
And they are always there to support us. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So why we talk to an ABAPer when we are faced with a programming level error or an issue? Correct. And second reason why do we talk to an ABAPer is we call it as development or enhancements. Development or enhancement, which means what? Sometimes we get the request from the users. Users. Now suppose they are asking, suppose we have a nice beautiful finance screen is there. And in that we have finance screen, screen. In the system we have a screen, we have a report. In that there are 3 columns are there. Column. In that there are already 3 columns are there. Now he's saying I want a 4th column with this data. Now user is requesting us, he wants a 4th column with such and such a data in the SAP screen. In SAP finance screen, he wants an additional 4th column. Okay, so now you don't know programming, you cannot go and work on change, do the programming changes, right? So again, we will call ABAPer into picture, explain him the requirement that user wants an additional column here in this particular screen. So then what ABAPer will do again for that screen, what is the program? He will open that program and he will make the changes. He will remove 3, put 4 columns there. So when he does those changes in the back end, front end, my finance screen will be impacted. Okay, so next time when I come back here, I can see 4 columns. So same thing, I will pass it on to the user. User will say thank you to me. I will say thank you to ABAPer. Is that clear? That is what is development or enhancements. When we need some new reports, new screens, new fields, whatever they want, we can get it developed with the help of ABAPer. Is that clear, everybody? Correct?
Yes.
So why we are talking to an ABAPer? One, when we are faced with a programming level error or an issue. Second, when we want some screen changes, some new fields, new reports, new columns, whatever changes they want, then we can get it done with the help of an ABAPer. Is it clear, everybody? ABAP and ABAP team, everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. So any doubts here? I'll give a pause. If you are in doubt, please ask me. I don't mind repeating. Please don't keep it to yourself. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah. So ABAP, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the next thing that we need to talk about is basis. Basis. So basis, they are the system administrators. They are the system administrators. Okay. So they are like security, right? So basis, we also call it as security GRs. GRC means what? Governance, risk and compliance. Okay. So these people, they are like, so there will be one basis team in the company, guys. Okay. Basis team, like ABAP team, there will be one basis team also. They will take care of system administration. SAP system. Which system? SAP system administration. Correct. Right. So they are like, see, our institute, they also have admin. We also have admin. Now they are controlling who should be able to log in into the class. What screen, right? What classes he should be able to log in. Like that, they are controlling. Same way, these people, they will control who should be able to log in into SAP system. Our SAP system is there. Who are allowed to log in into SAP system, that they will take care. Okay, second thing, they will do the installation. Okay, so what they will take care? They will take care of software installation, software installations. They will take care of server maintenance and networking. Networking means connecting the servers. Okay. And then one more important thing they will take care is, that is the UAM. Very important, guys. User access management. Okay. They will take care of user access management. Now UAM means UAM means they will control They will control who should be able to log in into SAP ERP system, and what screens they should be able to access. Okay, I will explain. Yep, just write down. I hope you have written down ABAP. Now you can write down this one also, guys. I'll give you time. Please write down. Okay, write down, please. Okay, now. So is my voice clear, everybody? Am I audible? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Good. Write down, please. So three key factors, as I said before: regular attendance, regular practice, correct, and proper notes. Yeah, you will see the results. Okay, if you do this, 100% assured here. Okay, yeah. See, SAP is a very good career, guys. Correct. I'm not telling this because I'm in SAP. See here, in SAP, people will come in from all the areas. Kada BTech, kada MSCs, like me, and a chartered and auditing. I should be in auditing. Now, what am I doing in IT? So people will come in from all the areas into SAP, and once they are in SAP, they never ever go out. You will not find anybody, not a single person, leaving SAP and going into other areas. No. So you should understand, yeah, SAP is giving us everything that we need. It will give a proper career, good grade, good salary, good prospects, international travel, everything it will do. Correct? So you have chosen a very good field. Stick to it, guys. So you next 4-5 months, fully dedicate, full commitment you have to give to SAP. Then it will give you the results. Correct? See, companies also, you see all the companies from different softwares, they will shift to SAP software. You see companies shifting from Tally to SAP, Navision to SAP, Magic to SAP, Oracle to SAP, but you will not find a single company shifting from SAP to other softwares. No. So that should tell you the status of SAP. Okay. And it is like, next 30-40 years, I don't see any competition to SAP. So by that time, we will all retire, na? Correct or not? Yeah. See, after 30-40 years, what will happen doesn't matter. No? We should not be bothered. So what I am saying is, this is your 6 months effort, 5 to 6 months effort. Seriously, give commitment to it, dedicated, get yourself dedicated to it, and then you will see the results. Okay, so it's like 6-month effort, lifetime settlement. Got it? Yeah. Right. So let's proceed. So now, so don't put in, see, you have decided, you joined here, you are attending classes now, you are attending classes. Don't put it 50-50 now. See, 50-50 will not do here. You have to give your 100%. Yeah. So daily attendance is important, practice is important, and notes is also important. Okay. Give your 100%. Next. So now UAM, what is this?
User access management.
User access.
User access management.
Correct. So here, now SAP ERP software is there. Now our company is in SAP ERP. Okay. Now just understand. Now we have we have a bank account. Yeah, in our company we have a bank account. In the bank account there are $10 million are there. Okay, now shall we allow everybody to see that balance? Finance people, production people, HR people, sales people, everybody should see my balance in the bank account.
No.
So,
No, sir.
Only finance people, no, authorized people should be able to see. So this basis people, what they will do, they will control who should be able to log in into the SAP system. First, who should be able to log in? You should have required credentials, no, proper credentials they should have, then only they should be able to log in. And then what screens they should be able to see means finance people should see finance screens. Sales people should see sales screens. Correct or not? HR people should see only HR screens. So that control is also important or not? Or shall we allow everybody to see everything?
no, sir.
No, no. So that is what we call it as user access management. So when you join the company tomorrow, after 4 or 5 months, when you join the company as a consultant, the basis team in the company will create a user ID in your name. They will create a user ID password in your name and give it to you. You use that user ID password to log in into SAP system. Now without that user ID password, can you log in?
No.
So who is providing that user ID password? Basis. Is that clear? Yeah. Suppose after some time you have resigned the job. You resigned the job. Now your access should be cut, na? Or shall we leave it like that? You have resigned the job. Your access should be cut, na? So who will take care again? Basis people. So basis people, they will take care of user access management. Who should be able to log in into SAP system and what screens they should be able to see. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Comfortable, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So we have ABAP team is there, basis team.
Basis team.
Correct? So basis team, they will take care of user access management. So who should be able to log in into system, your user ID passwords, and what screens they should be, you should be able to view, access. Correct? Good. So we talked about SAP SAP software products of SAP. We talked about ABAP team. We talked about basis team. Correct? Good. So now before I proceed further, next I am going to talk about HANA and S4HANA. This is the latest buzzword in SAP. In SAP area, these are the two important words that you will hear every now and then. Okay, I am going to talk about them, HANA and S4HANA. But before that, I will ask you some questions. I do this in my regular classes also. I ask questions just for, just to make sure you understood, for my satisfaction. Got it? See, if it is offline class, I look at your face. I can look at your face. Your expression on your face will tell me whether you are able to understand or not.
Yeah.
Or not. If your face is glowing, I know, okay, this guy understood. If you have a weird face, oh, this guy didn't understand. So that is with offline classes. But online, it's very difficult. Actually, to deliver the course online is difficult. So how do I know whether you understood? I ask questions. Okay. So first question is my company is already having SAP ERP. Okay, it is already using SAP ERP. Now they want to have SAP SCM also, supply chain management.
They have to buy for.
They have to buy the another.
Correct. So they are correct because it's another software. They have to pay for it and buy it.
And buy that software.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, in my company, QM was not there. Quality management we were not doing before. Now we are thinking to have quality management also. So do we have to again pay for it? Quality management?
No,
No,
it's already a module of that ERP
we can
software.
extend.
You can just extend. Now, if you need any user, another, few more users, for that users, you will pay. That's it. Extra users, you will have to pay separately. Correct? That's it. Apart from that, nothing else, no? That is. So module and a software. You got clarity now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, second question. Second question is, now I am a FICO consultant. I am working in my finance screens. Okay. So normal errors I will solve. I'm able to solve myself. But today I got a programming error. Correct. So every time I run, it is getting stuck. Programming error I am getting. Now, who can help me? Which team can help me?
ABAP.
ABAP and ABAPer can help me. Correct. ABAPer and ABAP team, they will help us. Correct. So I will call ABAPer and I will take his help to resolve the problem. Correct. Good.
Yes.
Now, third question. Now, I'm working as FICO consultant. I'm working as FICO consultant. Yesterday, I was able to log in into SAP system. Yesterday, I was able to log in into SAP system, but today morning, my login is not working. I'm not able to log in into SAP system. Who can help me?
Basis team.
System.
Yes.
Basis team. UM.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if my login is not working, if I'm not able to see some screens, or I want some extra access, some more screens access I need, who I will connect?
Basis team.
Basis team.
Is that clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
just
Yes.
imagine, right? See, if I take my login access problem to ABAPer, what he will say, sorry, I cannot help.
I
Correct?
cannot. Yes, sir.
If I take a programming problem to a basis people,
No.
they will say, we don't know ABAP. Na?
Yes.
Correct? So there is a nominated team, background noise. There is a nominated team for everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So you have your FICO team is there. Same way, other module people, MM consultants, SD consultants, HR consultants, they will be there. Along with that, we have technical teams of ABAP team and basis team also will be there. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now we will talk about HANA and S4 HANA. Okay. Good. Somebody raised hand. Just let me. Yeah. Any doubt you have? Yeah. Yes, Kundan. You have any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Good. Right. Good. So now, next I am going to talk about HANA and S4 HANA. Now, can you tell me, are they same or are they different? These two.
Different.
Sir,
They are
same, I think, updated.
Okay. So what is the updated one?
S4 HANA.
S4 HANA.
Because
S4 HANA.
you are using the logic. Na? If the name is big, na? Okay, it is. So S4 means S3, S2, S1 might be there. So probably S4 is the latest, like iPhone logic. Na? Yeah, iPhone 10, iPhone 11, 12. Probably after 6 months, you will have iPhone 100 also. Correct. Yeah. You are okay. So this S4 HANA is the latest version of, you are right, latest version of SAP ERP software. Okay, this is the latest version of SAP ERP software. So in the software also you have versions, guys. Correct? Not only products, not only mobile phones, you have versions. Softwares also you have versions. Like if you take Windows operating system, Windows operating system, guys, all of us are very, very, we are in love with actually Windows, Windows 2003, 2007, 2010. What are they? They are all
Different versions.
versions of Windows operating system.
Windows.
All of them are Windows OS only, na?
Yes.
Same way, SAP ERP software also has many versions. So it was developed in the year 1972. 1972, when most of us are not born. Correct? So 50 years back they developed. Now we cannot expect same version to be there even today also, na? No. So during this 50 years time, there were many versions, right? And what is the latest version? S4 HANA is the latest. What is the previous version, guys?
S3 HANA.
HANA.
Ah,
S3
S3 HANA is not there, ma. S3, S2, S1 is not there.
HANA.
HANA is also not version. So that's what we have to know it correctly. This is a database, totally different concept. This is a database server. It is okay. Technical term. Understand? Yeah. So what is the previous version? Name is ECC. ECC means ERP Central Component. That is the full form of ECC. This is the previous version. This is the previous version of same SAP ERP software. Is that clear? Okay, right on. This I will explain. I will explain this HANA, why we have HANA database coming here and all. But just write down. So this is the latest version. This is the previous version. Right. See, I am not going to cover entire history from 1972 onwards. What happened till now? Not required. Absolutely not required. We are not wasting our time here. See, nobody is bothered whether you know the history or not. See, somebody who wants to give you the job, is least bothered whether you know the history of SAP. He is more bothered whether you are able to do today's job. That is more important. Right? So it is all there in Google, guys. You can spend some time and know about the history of SAP, what happened from 1972. Everything you can read. It's all Google days now. You can just Google, you can read it, and nobody will ask you about history. Okay. See, is anybody studying history these days? Very few people, no? Yeah. Good. So you understood S4 HANA is the latest version. ECC is the previous.
Previous version.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, right? S4 HANA is the latest version. So this latest version has got lot of this HANA database has got lot of weightage in this new version. Correct or not? That's why it was named after HANA. The new version, they named it after HANA database because of this new database only we got the new version. You understood? That's why they named it after HANA database. Is that clear? Okay. So S4 HANA is the latest version. There is nothing like S1 HANA, S2 HANA, S3 HANA, S4 HANA. So the full form, actually actually they wanted to write like this, ERP business, ERP software. Yeah, it is like the software business suite, whatever you call it, for HANA. Correct. Now the suite or suite is, which means what? It comprises everything now full. So in your hotel, the talk about accommodation you have is this only, no? You have everything there. Same way, business software suite means everything is included there. You can do accounts, you can do everything included there. That's why they are calling it as a suite. So how this name has come? S is a suite. This has become yes. Yeah. The suite or suite has become yes. For has become for and HANA. Is it clear? A business software suite that has been developed keeping HANA capabilities in the mind. Is it clear? That's how the name has come. So that's why there is no S3, S2, S1 concept. No. S4 HANA. Is it clear?
Yes.
So you understood how this S4 HANA concept has come?
Yes.
Good. Okay then, so it's a 7:33 past. I have a class in waiting. So we will continue, guys, tomorrow, same time, 6:30. And thank you for attending today. We will continue tomorrow, guys. Yeah. I will continue with HANA and S4 HANA concept. Yeah. Okay then, thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.